Two birds, one stone. Who's the stone? Jesus. He's the stone that the builders rejected, the chief cornerstone. Who are the builders? The Pharisees, the Sadducees, and the scribes. You might as well just say the hypocrites. They're the very ones that knew everything about him and yet knew nothing about him. He was rejected so that we would be accepted. He was rejected, and yet it never thwarted the plan of God. Why am I telling you this? You don't want to be in that number where God says, I never knew you. Pay attention